Morning. You've got the sunshine, but don't be fooled. It's crispy cold. -4 degrees this morning. And someone asked me, how is the rabbits doing today? So I said, instead of telling them, I will show them. So if you're ready to see, let's check how the rabbits are doing today. We're going to go to Her Majesty first and see how she and her babies are doing. And Her Majesty is here. She's going to fly out in a second after saying hello to me. They're not wanting to say hello to me. Off she goes. All right. We got a chance to have a look at her babies. See how they're doing today. Despite the freezing weather. Let's check what they are up to. As you can see, they are all bunched together. And that's how they keep each other warm. Proper bunch together. Keeping each other warm. And you know, they are good to me, and they are doing good. The bunnies are doing good this morning. Look at that, wagging nose. Put their head together, and this is how they keep each other warm. They've got pellets here, and their room is well insulated with straw. I'm going to add some more straw to it. And they've got water here that is frozen. I'm about to change this water. Give them a bit of warmer water. And that's how the little ones are doing. Someone is coming to say hello. 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 No? Okay, so they seems to be waking up. What I'm going to do is to top up their pellets for them. Because it's cold, I give them extra munch. It helps them see through the cold. So I'm feeding them a little bit more than usual. And they are loving it. They're just waking up. Like they can smell something was going on. So we get a little bit more pellets. A little bit more pellets, right? And I'm gonna do the same to these boys here. These are the boys club. Go back in. I don't want them to jump out because mother is going to chase them out. Got some pellets for you boys, and they all go and fight for the pellets. That's the boys club. I'm gonna get a little bit more scoop of pellets. Usually I feed them pellets once, but with this weather they get a little bit more. Thank you for the pellets. You know yourself. Appreciate that. I come to the big boys. This is Chapo, Rex. He's about 2.8 kg, and he's keeping well. Pellets. So he also gets some pellets, and this is the layout of his room. He's got a lot of insulation in the room. He's got his water that is frozen, that I'm going to put a little bit of hot water in a bit to keep them warm. That's how Chapo is doing, enjoying his dear pellets. And this is Mr. Tank, who is also doing well. Here, it's not even allowing me to take the pellet to the pellet container. This is just a morning snack for them because it's cold. Tank, New Zealand black, weighs 4.2 kilograms. We checked the weight yesterday. He won the camera. Did you want the camera? Your pellet is there. It's looking for pellet. It's there. There you go. Tank is doing good too. Rabbito Farmino. I think I'm also doing alright, wrapped up like a Christmas present. We got the Inspector General here as well, giving me an assistant, wanting a treat. This is ice. It's icy. I know. It's icy. Come here. Come up here. Come up here. There you go. Let's give May and Belle some pellets to chill for the morning. Hello girls. Hello girls. Hello girls. There you go. Water frozen. Gonna have to put some hot water in there. That's how frozen the water is. So I like to give them water in containers so they can drink a lot more. Let's look at these two, how they are doing. We get their pellets ready for them. Oops, the door was frozen as well. But yeah, you got some pellets here. They're looking for pellets. Yay, pellets. So that's your answer. 10th of January. How are the rabbits doing in this cold? Well, as you can see, they are all doing perfectly fine, exception of their water. So I'm gonna go and heat some water and come and feed them some water whilst this girl struggle with a frozen cabbage. Rabbito Farmino. I hope you have a good weekend. See you in the next video. Rabbito Farmino. These guys are out here enjoying themselves. Another one emerged. Oh, hello. 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 Oh, hello. Stay tuned. See you in the next video. Rabbito Farmino.